Hey there, future Uber Eats drivers. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to download the Uber Eats driver app for 2025. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash delivering food or just starting out, getting the app set up is your first step. This process is straightforward and should only take a couple of minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a compatible device. You'll need a smartphone running the latest version of iOS or Android. Check your settings to confirm. Why? Because the 2025 update includes new features like improved navigation and real-time earnings tracking, so you want everything up to date. Step 1. Open your App Store. If you're on an Android, that's Google Play Store. For iPhone users, head to the App Store. It's that simple. Tap the icon on your home screen. Next, in the search bar, type Uber Eats driver and hit enter. Look for the official app from Uber Technologies Inc. to avoid any fakes. Once you find it, tap on the download button. The app is free, but it might require a few permissions like location access, which is essential for tracking your deliveries safely. After the download finishes, open the app and sign in. If you don't have an Uber account yet, you'll need to create one using your email, phone number, and some basic info. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, the app will prompt you to verify your details, like your driver's license or vehicle information. This is a new requirement for 2025 to ensure everyone on the road is legit and safe. Take a moment to upload what you need. And just like that, you're all set. You can now start browsing delivery opportunities, checking your schedule, and getting paid. Remember, always drive safely and follow local traffic rules. If you run into any issues, like the app not installing, try restarting your phone or checking your internet connection. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on gig economy jobs. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Safe driving, everyone.